Hello friends, now you are seeing the first video of Therinja Sollaporan channel in English. Before this video, I have posted a video in Tamil regarding the same topic. If you want to see the video in Tamil, press the link in the description and go and watch the video in Tamil. The main purpose of creating this channel is to share knowledge. I will post whatever I know in this channel, and it may be useful or may not be useful to some of them, as they might have known the topic already. If you like this video and if it is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the notification icon, and also post your comments in the comment box. In this video, we are going to see how to connect Python and MySQL and how to install the connector using PIP. It is a very important topic for class 12 students because they have to do projects regarding the connection of Python and MySQL and execute programs. For executing the programs, they have to first connect Python and MySQL. I will show how to connect Python and MySQL and how to install the connector first. By seeing the book and doing the procedure given in that, it is easy to understand by seeing a video. So only I have done a video and posted it in this channel. For that, first you have to check whether MySQL and Python installed in this system. I have already installed MySQL, and I will show how to install Python and how to install connector and connect Python and MySQL. Now open your browser. After opening your browser, go to Google and type Python download. Click the first one. Here, download Python 3.8.5 is the latest version. There are many older versions too, and we can download it, but we mostly prefer the latest one. Now click it. Now I am going to download it in my downloads. And I have already installed this setup in another folder. So now I will go to that folder and install Python IDLE. There are many IDEs in Python. Anaconda, Spider. In Anaconda only Spider will come, and PyCharm. But mostly we prefer Python IDLE. Now click Add Python 3.8 to path. It is easy to connect Python and MySQL. Now click Install now. Now the Python is installing. Yeah, it has been successfully installed. Now press close. Now we will see whether the Python has been installed. Yeah. Now we have to find the path of the Python to connect MySQL and Python. So for connecting that, we have to first find the path. So open Python IDLE to find the path. Now click File and click Path Browser. Yeah, here are the path. This path is very important to connect both MySQL and Python. In the Python 3832 only, the python.exe and pip.exe is stored. First we have to type import mysql.connector. This is so because for checking whether the connector has been already installed in your system. See, a error has occurred. If this error occurred, the connector has not been installed in your system. If the error does not occur and it moves to next line, the connector has been successfully installed. So we will do that. Now I will show the path of Python and where python.exe and pip.exe is stored. Here the user, I have named it as user. In many systems it has a different name according to their user. Python, Python 38, 32, and here you see python.exe, and in scripts only we have pip.exe. This is only the important exe which connects Python and MySQL. Now there are two methods for doing and installing connector. First is CMD method, and another one I will show later in this video. So for that, first we will open CMD. Type it in the search box, CMD, that is also known as command prompt. Before this, we have to see whether we have administrator access in this system. So first unblock your hidden files and go to Windows apps in program files and click that. If you are able to enter the Windows apps, you have administrator access. If you do not able to enter the Windows apps, you do not have administrator access. So for that you have to right click the Windows apps, and in properties you have to change the settings as to get the administrator access. So after getting administrator access only you can connect Python and MySQL, and PIP connector can be installed. Now go to CMD. In CMD we have to type the path of the Python, and we have to make a setup for PIP. The CD is help to direct the path to the pip.exe, and it inserts a function of PIP in command prompt. Now I am typing the path of pip.exe where it has been stored. This is the path I have already shown before. After python.3832 you have to type scripts. In scripts only pip.exe is stored. We no need to type pip.exe in the path, as it is not a path. It is only the file we are going to reach through this path. So press enter and type pip.exe. Yeah. Now press enter. Now we can type the command which installs the connector. Now type pip install MySQL connector Python. Now press enter. This line is given already in the Sumita Arora book of class 12 in appendix E. By seeing that and doing the project, it is easy to see the video and do the function. So it will be easily understandable. Now press enter and the connector will start to install. It is installing. Yeah, it has been successfully installed. Now I will say how to install Python modules also using this PIP. In CMD only we can install Python modules for Python IDLE. Now for that you type pip freeze. it will show what are the modules that are already installed in the system. Now type pip install the module name. I am typing pandas. It is also a module. So the set of Python modules are installing when we type pandas. So there are many other modules. Matplotlib, NumPy. The NumPy also is installing together with pandas, and PyTZ and many other modules which we can import into Python ideally and do many programs. So the pandas is now installing modules. Yeah, it has been installed. Now you can use the modules and import it into your Python ideally. Now we will go to Python ideally and check whether the connector has been successfully installed and if it Python ideally and MySQL has been connected. Now type the line I typed before. Import MySQL.connector. Yeah, we have successfully connected MySQL and Python ideally. So the no error occurs here. Now I will show the second method how to connect Python and MySQL. This is not related to CMD, but in CMD we have to type the line that I showed, that is pip install MySQL connector Python. Now copy the path where python.exe is there. As we already add the path of Python when we install the setup, I told you to tick a box where it is written add Python to path. So that only has added these paths. That path, and also we done the first method. So both has added the path to the Python path to this path. So now I am deleting these paths for showing you freshly. Now I am adding new path. Now slash python.exe. Oh sorry, this slash python.exe. Now press OK and also click OK. Now go to IDLE and type the same mysql.connector. This will also move to the next line. So the both method are working properly. Now you would have understand how to connect Python and MySQL connector using PIP by both the methods. It is very easy methods and I think it is very useful to you.